project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Okay, the lesson is about to start. Smarty pants are ready, and local starlights aren't bored either. So, good morning, class.
Oh, good morning, Professor. Wow. What's that?
Steve, you didn't leave me at home again?
Very well. So today, we're doing a science lesson with 7 incredible experiments.
Science is already my passion, Professor. Katie, knock it off.
Steve's in love.
Oh, come on now, be kind, my friends. Here you go, Steve.
Another step towards the Nobel Prize. Looks like oil.
Oh, so pretty. Huh? What is it? Water? Okay.
Liquids of different densities don't mix together.
Here's the jar. Oh, and where's the honey? Oh, where is it?
Did someone say honey? Oh, it's so yummy.
Sammy, it's not for eating. It's for science. Now I need water.
Should I drink it?
Oh, wait! What if it's acid? Phew, let's mix it up now.
It looks like a cake, so we need to add some toppings. Take this.
No! What did you do? Huh?
Oh, Katie, you figured out our experiment. I'll give you an A+.
Oh, why don't we try a grape? Look! Splash!
Ouch! Amazing! So a grape has less density than a paperclip? Wow!
Exactly, Sherlock. And this ball has even less.
Huh! The subject with the lesser density will end up higher in our cake.
Well, that was quick. Well done, my gifted students.
It's a blast. I'm gonna shoot a TikTok right now.
And now, Lumos.
Professor, you're glowing! What is all this?
Oh, it's just regular paint. My nail polish is so much prettier.
Katie, it's glowing paint. Check this out.
Come on, let's fill the jar with colored rice.
Wow, look at that. Shall we do it together?
Sure.
Where's my flashlight? Did I lose it? Whoa! Why did the lights turn off?
Hey, Teach! I got it! Let's check out the result! The paint eats the ultraviolet particles and slowly gives them back. That's why it's glowing!
Aha! And for the next experiment, you'll be working in pairs.
I'm ready to science and beyond.
Ew, gross. This is definitely not my color. This suits me more.
Water? Ah, it's hot.
And here comes some gelatin. This way.
Oh, wow, hot water and gelatin. Shiver me cheddars, I know what it is! Steve, listen to me. I'm gonna get you an A in chemistry.
Oh, maybe you shouldn't.
Steve, come on, that's enough. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, Steve.
Oh, Katie, I'm sorry. I got carried away.
You ruined my perfect, pretty pink gloves.
Uh-oh, Einstein Newton. Just mix it all up. It'll make you feel better.
Huh? Fine. I do feel better.
Now you should color the foam. Hurry up!
Oh, okay.
Gelatin combined with hot water makes it viscous. And the dishwashing liquid creates foam.
Oh, it works.
I've got 2 more.
Now let's distribute everything into a large container. Check out these beautiful layers.
Chemistry is a real magic. Shall we begin? Oh,
Wow, I'm definitely gonna repeat this for my followers.
Wow! Ew! Ew! Ew, Katie, it's toxic!
Oh, silly you. It's just some whipped cream with some food paint.
Now let's blow a balloon using baking soda!
Seriously? Can't we just blow it with air instead?
Ouch! Come on. This idea is much better. First we'll take a funnel, and now pour baking soda into it.
Baking soda goes into balloons, and vinegar into bottles.
Yep. Thanks, Professor. Now pull the balloon on the neck of the bottle. Now we gently start pouring the baking soda into the vinegar. The gas flies up and... Whoa! Whoa, what a reaction! Oh...
What is that? Whoa, the balloon is really inflating! It popped! Well, mine's gonna be even cooler.
Oh, poor balloon. Ugh, now Katie.
Nah, and my balloon survived. Say cheese!
Let me cheer you up, Steve. I've got, whoops, another balloon.
Oh, thanks, Professor.
Next, we'll be experimenting with static electricity. Buzz!
All right, I'm ready. Huh? Hey, come back here. Come on.
Ah! It's a mouse!
Looks like I'll be teaching you from now on. First, you need to create a play case.
I did my homework beforehand.
What? Homework? I need to do something now. Oh, look how cute it is.
Great! Let's move on with our experiment.
What are we supposed to do with all this? Huh? Oh, it's electrified. Wow, they're attracted to each other. This is awesome.
Wait, it's gonna mess up my hair. Hey, Steve.
Hey, what's going on? Huh?
I got one too, Professor. Check this out.
You are so smart, and this is your reward.
And what is this? Huh?
Katie, and I got some sand.
It's a water repellent spray to make the sand waterproof.
Is that it? Okay, now I know how to use it.
Hey, it's time to put the sand into the jar. Hurry!
I hope we did everything right. And... Whoa! Just check this out! Amazing! Wow!
Okay, now try to get the sand out of the jar.
Wait, no way. Oh my, it's completely dry.
Then I'll put some more in. Let's see. Whoa! I can take it out with my bare hands. Look at this! This is amazing!
Very well. Your last experiment, volcanic eruption. Students, you must be ready for anything. The success of the whole experiment depends on it.
We're ready, Professor. Here comes baking soda.
Now we'll mix it with the dishwashing liquid.
Let's make the foam even prettier with some food coloring.
You're right, Sammy. Let's use them all. And now pour some peroxide. Wow!
Look! Soda has released a bunch of oxygen, and the air bubbles along with the foam form some kind of volcanic lava, so to say.
It's so beautiful. I'm so proud of us.
Congratulations! Hooray! You both get an A+ for the semester! Awesome!
Them all for yourself.
I know, but they're just so yummy!
What was that? Who's gonna have the best photos of themselves ever? We are! Aren't those the lighting bugs in there?
Mine. Okay, princesses, show me devious.
They've lost all their power.
That's it, no more flash bugs.
Oh my goodness! Look at the lighting bugs! How could they use these poor little bugs for such a selfish reason? These photos aren't just for us. We're going to light up the night tonight by projecting our pictures all over Magic-Key. Who needs lights when our faces will be flashing everywhere instead? We're done here. Bet you can't wait to see our faces everywhere you look tonight.
Can I keep my eyes closed forever?
Oh, look at these poor little guys. They're all worn out. They can't glow. They can't fly.
They need something to eat to get their energy back.
Too bad we don't have any sap from the electricity tree.
Oh, the jelly bars!
Huh? The jelly bars?
Thank you, Sir Kitty Cat. I know it wasn't easy to give up all those jelly bars.
Actually, Princess, I was really happy to.
Oh, they're starting to get their glow back. It's going to be a while before these little guys have enough strength to fly. How are we going to get them back to the electricity tree?
Huh. Bubbles, that's it! The lighting bugs can float back to the tree in bubbles.
Billy, that's a fantastic idea.
Thanks. Okay, guys, let's start blowing some bubbles.
All right, Rabbit. You've done a powerfully powerful job of powering Magic-Key, but your work here is decidedly done. Princess Billy is returning. Let's hurry back to the castle. Here, I'll carry you.
Are you ready to light up the night with pictures of our gorgeous selves? I sure am. Everyone is so lucky we're sharing our photos with them. Oh? Here, let me try. Why isn't the projector going on?
Princesses, it's not going on because there's no power. We used up all the lighting bugs.
No! Huh?
Countess, the princess has found the lighting bugs.
I see that, Ed. Look!
Oh, in all my years of seeing lights at night, this is the most beautiful sight of lights I've ever sighted.
You can say that again.
I would, Fiona, but I never say anything twice.
Huh? Once we get these lighting bugs back to the electricity tree, they'll have all the sap they need to get back to normal.
And then we'll have all the power we need to get back to normal, too.
Too bad about the twins' projector, though. Now we'll never be able to see their photos.
You know what, Your Highness? We are so lucky to have a princess like you. And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-Key.